Alright, we've got some boiling water here. What are we doing today, Nick?
Well, it's negative 15 degrees out, so we're quite bored. And we're going to boil some hot water and toss it in the air off the deck and see if it lands.
Okay.
There we go.
Here we go. Hope no one's down there.
Ready?
Yep. Well, a little bit got to the bottom. Most of it.
What, I made 3 or 4 drops.
Most of it's in the air.
And it's still circling. It's very humid out now.
Maybe we'll try this again in the daylight, see how it looks. Alright, it is now tomorrow.
So it's daytime and it's warmed up to a balmy negative 14 degrees.
We'll be heading over there.
Let's try this again.
See if we can see it any better or if we're just blinded by the snow.
Barely.
Almost none of it hit. Let's look at that pot. Steamy. Steam's just heading off on its own adventure. Alright, what did we learn from this?
Water does not exist in cold.
Excellent. So, Nick, how cold is it outside?
It's negative 32.
Let's see. Oh. That's cold.
The door won't close.
Did it freeze?
Knob froze.
Ah.
We made a mistake.
That's not good.
The bottom of the door is already frozen.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to unfreeze the window,
Yeah.
and the air conditioner is frozen up as well.
Yeah, that's always a
It's
problem.
creeping in. It's gonna get us.
What is the temperature outside right now?
Well,
Negative?
this morning when I turned the car on, which surprisingly the truck did start,
Uh-huh.
it was negative 32 on the thermometer.
Negative 32?
There's a record for me and you.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a little chilly.